Hello and welcome to our presentation regarding CSC510 Discrete Structures Group Project. I would first like to introduce our group members. We have 5 group members. Our group project manager is SANI bin MAHAZIR. Our programmers are DANIAL bin SULASTREE and MUIZUDDIN bin YASIN. Our project designer is myself, Muhammad bin RAZMAN, and our project analyst is RAZIEQ bin ROSLAN. We were given 4 questions as part of our CSC510 project, and we simply had to choose one as our group project. Our group project has agreed to work on a topic that involves relational qualities. Now let's continue to the flowchart. And the program starts by displaying a main page, and then you have to input a total number of sets, meaning how much sets do you want to input, and then you have to input all of the all of the set values. And then it will verify when each input as a set, and then it will separate the values within the set. After that, they will evaluate sets into reflexive, symmetric, transitive, reflexive closure, symmetric closure, transitive closure argument. And once they have all the information and data, they will then print an output of the result. After printing the output, the program will end. Now, Daniel Imran will continue with coding and program running. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Daniel Imran bin SULASTREE, and I'm going to present to you the programming code for properties of relation, which is question number 2. Okay, first we're using C++, and this is we declare our attributes, and this is our welcome page or user interface. And then this is for our command for user to enter how many set they would like. For example, if they would like 6 set, then they will have 6 sets. And then this we will looping according what they want their set. And then we will output all their sets. And then after that, we will determine the properties of relation, which is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. This is all the codes. This is for reflexive, and this is for symmetric, and this is for transitive. And then next we have closure. This is coding for our closure reflexive closure, and then we have our closure symmetric closure, and lastly we have transitive closure. Next we are going to proceed to run the program. Okay, this is our main welcome page. Okay, we have the user want to see sets. And then the first set we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Next set is 3, 3, 4, 4. And last we have 6, 7. Okay, this is the output for all of the sets. And the sets of elements we just enter is 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 6, 7. Okay, for reflexive, which is the same A and B, we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. Symmetric, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4 also. And transitive, we have 2, 1, 1, 1, and 2, 1. Okay, for closure, we need to add an element for the relationship to be closed. Okay, but for reflexive here is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 6, 6. They add 6, so that 6 can be closed. For symmetric closure, we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 6. And lastly, for transitive closure, we have 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, and 6, 1. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sani, and we shall proceed to the project limitations. So, number 1 would be the system is not 100% accurate. Number 2 would be some of the relation will show repeat set and some will show set of 0, 0. So the system is required for improvised coding to make it more efficient and perfect. Lastly is that we use limited resources to create the system. So we proceed to the conclusion. The lesson from CSC 510 is extremely useful for our participation in the system. The system can also help users determine if a set is symmetric, reflective, or transitive. The system is designed for the interest in learning of fundamentals of these relationships. We choose to design a system that will use a command line interface to overcome difficulties and make it easier for the user to determine what the properties of relation are. As a result, user can save time and avoid mistakes. A simple example that can be related in real life is people who have the same color eyes. Reflexive is when a person has the same color eyes as themselves. For the limits of the project, in order to make the system 100% accurate, the programmer needs to do more error checking and proofreading of the coding to see if there are any excesses or deficiency. Other than that, the programmers needs to make sure that no repetition happens in the output. And lastly, more resources are needed to complete the system. This will allow us to gather more information to make our system perfect for future use and in real life situations. Thank you very much.